Welcome again to my tutorial video, guys. Today again, do you need 10,000 followers to make affiliate sales? The answer is no. I'm going to show you everything in this video. All right, so guys, before you can make affiliate sales, you don't need to have 10,000 followers, million followers before you can make your first affiliate sales in affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you everything in this video. Try to like this video, share this video to all your friends, and let me know which country are you watching from this video. We are going to learn everything so that you can know that you don't need plenty people on your social media account before you can start getting sales in affiliate marketing. The answer might surprise you. So let's jump into the video right. I'm going to show you everything right now in this video. All right, can you see the big mites? All right, so guys, many beginners believe they need thousands of followers before anyone will trust them or buy through their recommendation. That's one of the things that stop people from even starting. So guys, all these things you don't need it. Maybe I need 10,000 followers before I can start making my first sales. Nobody will buy from me. I need to become an influencer. No, all this doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter. I'm going to show you the thing you need to do in this video, so that just make sure to watch the video to the end. You are going to learn everything, and this video will be a solution to your problem. Maybe you don't have a big followers, you don't know how to influence, you don't know how to do everything. So I'm going to break everything down for you in this video. Just make sure to watch this video to the end. Let's move on to the next step, guys. Can you see? All right, the next step right now is to just show you guys. So right now, guys, followers is not equal to everything. I'm going to show you the solution of your issue. Maybe you are fearing, I don't know how to create a content. I don't know anything about how to make my first in affiliate marketing. You are going to learn everything in this video. So what matter more is what you are reaching the right audience, talking about the right problem, and recommending solutions that are actually relevant to those people. So that is what matter. All right, what matter is the right audience, the right problem, the right solution. This is audience, problem, and solution. All right, so when you have all these kind of things categorical, you are going to, your sales will definitely change. All right, you need to just know their problem, then you solve it for them. Your contents will solve their problem for them. Then you are going to, this is audience, problem, and solution. So your own content is to be their solution, all right, of what they are looking for. So that is, so maybe you may be thinking that maybe I need 10,000 followers, million followers before I can start my affiliate journey. So the answer is totally no. So let's move into the next step so I can show you guys how you can, you can know what I'm trying to teach you in this video. So right now, this is one of the example I want to show you right now in this particular video. So for example, instead of simply saying buy this product, create a content around question, all right, your audience are actually looking for. For example, how beginner creates videos without showing their face. So those are the things. So don't be saying buy these products. So what you need to do is to just try this one, and try this kind of thing, that how can beginner create video without showing their face. We are already trying to give them the solution they are looking for. They would definitely, when you recommend anything to them, they would definitely buy from you, because you have already provided solution to their problems. So don't be saying this kind of thing. They say buy this app product. No, buy this product. No. What you need to say is that how can beginner create video without showing their face? So all this kind of thing is you have already do what they want for them. All right, so let's move to the next step so I can show you, because I don't want to waste your time in this particular video. So here is the solving the problem first. You have to solve their problem first. All right, this is the important part. Solving the problem first, create helpful content, build trust, then make a relevant recommendation. Your affiliate link become part of the solution rather than entire content. You can see this is maybe people are looking for one particular problem, then you provide a helpful content for them trust, recommendation, and potential sales. Simple as ABC. So you cannot just be saying buy my product. No. You have to create an helpful content, all right, that will solve their problem. Then they will trust you. Then you now recommend to them. They now make your sales. That is how it works. So let's move to the next step for me, guys, to show you how you can make your first sale in affiliate marketing. All right, by following the rules. If you don't follow these rules, it may hardly for you to make your first sale in affiliate marketing. All right. So now let's move to the next step. You can say you can start small. You can start small. You don't need 100,000 followers to begin. You can start with small audience. What matter is what the people watching your content are interested in the problem you are helping them solve. All right. So you don't need maybe 1,000 of followers or 1,000,000 followers. No, you can start with small audience. What matter is whether the people watching your content are interested in the problem you are helping them to solve. That's it. So you need the right people, useful content, consistency. So this is all what you need. You need the right people, useful content, and consistency. This is all what you need to do. All right, all what you need to have, so that you can see that so when you are promoting anything, it will definitely change your sales in affiliate marketing. So let's move to the next step right now. Can you see, where can you find the people? Where can you find the people? Where can you find the people? Your audience can come from different platforms: YouTube, TikTok, all right, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and other community can help you reach people who are interested in your topic. So these are the places you can find your people: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Telegram. So, but when you make a good content and helpful content, you will definitely find the people that are interested in your topic. All right. So let's move to the next step, right, so that I can show you how you can definitely get your first sales when you are doing affiliate marketing by following the rules that I'm showing right now. Without following these rules, it may hardly for you to get your first commission in affiliate marketing. So right now, create content people are searching for. Create content people are searching for. All right, create content people are searching for. All right, you can see how to teach comparison, review, answer to common questions. Let me just give you example of what people are looking for on the internet. All right, for example, people can be looking for something like how to make AI video for free. You can see how to make AI video. You can see people are searching for this kind of thing. You can see how to make AI video, how to make AI video for YouTube, how to make AI video for YouTube for free. So those are the things people are currently searching for. So your product will be you be their solution. All right, when they see your content, you can just click on search. You can see people are looking for this kind of thing. You can see those are the things people are currently looking for. I'm just giving example. You can be promoting. It depends on what you are promoting when you pick your niche. You can see is there a 100% free AI maker? You can see do AI generate video make money? Can I create an AI video for free? Can you create AI video of yourself? So all these kind of questions. So you are going to make a video that will solve this kind of solution, this kind of problem. Your own content will be the solution of this kind of problem people are currently searching for. I'm just giving example on how to, how you can target your audience to get your first sale in affiliate marketing by following all the rules I'm giving you in this particular video. So we are in next step. Don't just chase followers. Don't just chase followers. So you don't make followers counts your only goal. Your goal should be to attract the right people, help them build trust, and eventually recommend products that genuinely fit their need. That is your own job. All right? You don't need to chase followers. Attract the right people, help them build trust, then you recommend what you are promoting for them according to your niche. So always make a content that will attract people to come to your, to your account. Whatever, maybe YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, it depends on what particular social media you're using to make content. So don't chase, followers. Attract the right people, help them build trust, then you recommend to them. So let's go to the next step, guys, all right, in this video. All right, now you need to start here. This is where you can start. If you are starting today, keep it simple. Choose one particular niche, identify one audience, find the problem they are dealing with, create useful content around those problems, then recommend relevant product or service for them. Simple. This is what you just need to do. Choose one niche, identify an audience, find their problem, create useful content, recommend relevant product for them. It's that simple. That is what you just need to do for them. So this is what I'm trying to recommend to you guys today. All right. So if you want a structured beginner roadmap that take you through this fundamental step by step, check out my guide, Affiliate Marketing from Zero. The link is under this video or in the bio. Wherever you are watching this video, either YouTube, Instagram, you are going to see the link around, either on the bio or on the comment section or on or you can going to see the link on the description of this video. It will definitely help you to in your affiliate journey. Try as much as possible to get this particular copy so that it will definitely help you a lot if you can just go to go through this particular guide. It will definitely help you a lot. All right, it will definitely help you. So you don't need to start big. Start with the right strategy. Follow for more affiliate tips. So let me show you what you are going to get in this particular guide. So this is what you are going to get when you visit this particular guide. All right, it's a very everything you will learn, a complete path from zero to your first commission. Nothing skip, nothing assume. So how affiliate marketing actually works, how to choose a niche you can realistically stick with, how to evaluate products, what actually recommend, how to promote product without ever showing your face, how to use AI tools to speed up content creation, the most common beginner mistake and how to avoid them. So how affiliate marketing, how affiliate links and commission work behind. So you are going to learn a lot of things in this particular guide. So this video will definitely help you if you can watch it like 3 to 4 times or more, and share this video to your people, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You are going to learn a lot in this because I'm going to give you a lot of guidelines in affiliate marketing on how to make money online in this particular YouTube channel. So guys, try to like and share this video to people and try to start right now, start somewhere and follow for more, follow for more to learn more on how you can start affiliate marketing from zero, and try to get your guide today and learn a lot from that guide. It will really help you in your affiliate journey. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.